OpenAI teaches artificial intelligence to understand and model the physical world in motion, with the goal of training models that can help humans solve problems that require interaction in the real world. Introducing Sora, a text-to-video conversion model. Sora can create videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and following user guidance. All videos in this review were created directly by Sora without modification. Sora is an artificial intelligence model that can create realistic and creative scenes from text instructions. You can also use Sora to gradually interpolate between two input videos, creating smooth transitions between videos with completely different scenes and scene compositions. In the examples, I synchronized these two videos that you see on the screens. Today, Sora is made available to red teams to assess critical areas for harm or risks. We also provide access to a number of artists, designers and filmmakers to get feedback on how to improve the model so that it is most useful to creative professionals. OpenAI shares its research early to get started and get feedback from people outside of OpenAI, and to give the public a sense of what AI opportunities are on the horizon. Sora is capable of creating complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of movement, and precise object and background details. The model understands not only what the user has requested on the command line, but also how those things exist in the physical world. The model has a deep understanding of language, allowing her to accurately interpret cues and create compelling symbols that express powerful emotions. Sora can also create multiple frames in a single video that accurately preserve the characters and visual style. The current model has weaknesses. He may have trouble accurately modeling the physics of a complex scene, and may not understand specific cases of cause and effect. For example, a person who runs on a treadmill but in a completely different direction is not tested by physics. The model may also confuse the spatial details of the clue, such as confusing left and right, and may not accurately describe events that occur in time, such as following a certain camera path, or as in this video of this example. Sora fails to model a chair as a solid object, which leads to imprecise physical interactions. But the most important thing for us is safety. What is the danger of Sora for people in the future? It is dangerous for such activities as visualizer, 3D designer, animator and animator, as it can completely replace these professions. Also by falsifying video recordings from surveillance cameras, which are popularly used for both good and evil intentions. To which Sora representatives responded, "We will take several important security steps before making Sora available in OpenAI products. We are working with red teams, experts in areas such as disinformation, hateful content, and bias, who will test the model adversarially. We're also building tools to help detect misleading content, such as a detection classifier that can determine when a video was created by Sora. We plan to include C2PA metadata in the future if we deploy the model in an OpenAI product. In addition to developing new pre-deployment practices, we are leveraging existing security practices we created for our DALL-E 3 products that apply to Sora. For example, in the OpenAI product, our text classifier will review and reject text requests that violate our usage policies, such as those that request extreme violence, sexual content, hateful images, images of celebrities, or other people's IP addresses. We've also developed robust image classifiers that are used to check the frames of every video generated to ensure it complies with our usage policies before it is shown to the user. We will engage policymakers, educators, and artists around the world to understand their challenges and identify positive uses for this new technology. Despite extensive research and testing, we cannot predict all the beneficial ways in which people will use our technology, nor all the ways in which people will abuse it. That's why we believe that learning from real-world use is a critical component of building and releasing increasingly secure AI systems over time.